How to enable Facebook's quiet mode to limit your screen time in the application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily enable the quiet mode on Facebook to limit your time on the application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, go to settings and privacy first, and then you need to navigate for your time on Facebook option. Click on it and click on the option of manage your time. Then once you click on the See Tools option, you will see the option of quiet mode. Enable it and then set the timing after which you want to enable quiet mode in your Facebook application. After that, you have the option to schedule quiet mode. Once you enable that feature, you will see two time period between which the Facebook will enable the quiet mode for your account. After you are done scheduling, you have one last option, that is to set daily time reminder. Once you enable this, here you see the feature of after how many hours or how many minutes should Facebook remind you to stop using the application to limit your screen time period. Choose that and you're all good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.